Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomate animals are exemplified by, and the options are A. Ctenophora, B. Platyhelminthes, C option is aschelminthes, and option D is annelids. So let's see what is bilateral symmetry. So a body in which the body parts are arranged in two sides, means the left and the right side. For example, if we represent the eye spots of a planaria, now we can cut its body into two halves, equal halves or similar halves, by only one plane. So such an arrangement of body where the body parts are arranged in two sides and the body cavity can be divided into two similar halves by only one plane. So such a symmetry of body is called the bilateral symmetry. Now the acoelomates, A means without and coelom means the body cavity. So here what happens, the space between the body wall. So if we draw the TS or the transverse section of an animal, so this represents the outer covering of the body or the body wall. Now this body wall is derived from the ectoderm, and there is the gut wall, means the lining of alimentary canal, which is derived from the mesoderm, and this space between these two, it means the body wall and the gut wall, this space is known as the body cavity. Now if this space is filled with the tissue, so if this space is filled with the tissue, so there is no body cavity left, and such animals without body cavity, they are called the acoelomates. So as we can see here, that this space between body wall and gut wall, it is filled with the tissue which is derived from mesoderm. Now this tissue occupies all the space present between the body wall and gut wall. So there is no body cavity, and animals having such type of arrangement, they are called the acoelomate. And this acoelom is a characteristic feature of platyhelminthes or the flatworms. So out of these four, the animals having bilateral symmetry, if we look the symmetry, then ctenophores, they are radially symmetrical, so they are having radial symmetry, and they are not having a this type of arrangement. Then aschelminthes, again they are bilaterally symmetrical, but they are pseudocoelomates. It means they have a body cavity in which the mesodermal pouches are present. But if we look at platyhelminthes, they show both these features. They are bilaterally symmetrical, as I have drawn this diagram of planaria. So planaria is also a flatworm. So they are bilaterally symmetrical, and they are acoelomates. It means they do not have a body cavity. Again, the annelids are having bilateral symmetry, and they are true coelomates. So only the phylum showing bilateral symmetry and acoelomate condition, they are the platyhelminthes. So option B is the right answer of this question. I hope it is clear to you. All the best.